You're a passenger in a car that was just involved in a car accident, but you don't know which driver was at fault. Hi, my name is Jonathan Macri and I'm an attorney here at Parker Waichman. Now, I deal with car accident cases every day here at Parker Waichman, and the scenario which I've just described to you comes up more often than you'd think. Someone is a passenger in a car, either being driven around by a friend or, in a lot of cases, someone they don't even really know that well, and that car is involved in a car accident with another vehicle. Now, the passenger a lot of the time didn't even realize what happened until after it occurred, and certainly doesn't know who was the party who was at fault. So they're unsure if they're in a position where they could actually start a claim to receive compensation for their injuries. And what I tell them is, yes, you are in a position to start a claim to get compensation for those injuries. Because at the end of the day, to that passenger, it doesn't really matter for their case which one of those drivers was at fault, because them as a passenger could not have been responsible for that accident. And whether it was the driver that was driving the car they were in or the other driver, the passenger, if they have injuries, is still going to be able to get compensated, even if they're not sure who was at fault for the accident. Now, you're watching this video likely because you've been involved in a car accident recently and you have some questions. I hope I've answered some of those questions for you here today, but if you have more, and you probably do, give me a call. You can reach me at 1-800-800-9797. Again, my name is Jonathan Macri, and I really want to thank you for taking the time to watch.